over, no? Undangan na siguro nato ni, no? So, happy birthday. Nasulti na naman ako tanan. I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Beshi. On your special day, I wanted to know how much of friendship means to me. Cheers to another year of shared memories and unwavering support. Wishing you a day filled with love, laughter, and the warmth that your heart deserves. Happy, my dear friend. Mama. See ya.
Happy birthday, Ma'am.
Sharon, happy birthday po. Wish you all the best in life and good health and happiness po. Thank you for always believing in me and always motivating me to do my best po. God bless po and I hope you enjoy
Happy
your
birthday,
day.
Ninang. Thank you for being a friend, a sister, kag mama sa akon. Kag thank you sa pagpalangga niyo sa akon. I wish nga tanan mo nga ginapangamuyo sa Ginoo makuha mo gid tanan. Thank you. I love you. Happy birthday.
Hi, Ma'am Sharon. Happy birthday. Thank you for being an inspiration to all of us and I hope daghan pang blessings mabot ninyo. Kay nakita jud nako, ma'am, kung unsa kadaghan ang natabangan ninyo, labi na paras nako nga nangita og work. Nakita jud nako, ma'am, nga mutabang jud mo. Labi na pud, ma'am, sa mga natabangan nato sa atong facility. Thank you, ma'am. More blessings and more birthdays to come. We love you.
Happiest birthday po. Wishing you all the best in life. Stay healthy and pretty as always. God bless you po and more blessings to come and more candles to blow. We love you po. Miss you.
Hi, Ma'am Sha. Happy birthday po. Maraming salamat sa mga bagay na pinagsamahan natin. Kahit po kulang na kami ngayon, ako na lang ang bumabate. Naway pagpalain pa kayo ng Diyos, bigyan kayo ng masaya at malusog na kalusugan sa inyo at sa buong pamilya po. Muli, Ma'am Sha, happy birthday po. Wala man po kami dyan. We wish you the best and we wish you more blessings to come. Happy birthday, Ma'am.
Hi, Ma'am. Happy birthday. Wishing you a beautiful day with good health and more birthdays to come. And may God bless you and your family. And happy birthday po, Ma'am. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Sha. It's going to be another great year. Sending you well wishes for a year filled with great health and good times. More power and God bless.
I just want to greet you. Happy birthday. Be happy, Mom. Today is the day we're brought into this world to be the inspiration and blessings to the people around you. You may be given more birthdays to celebrate and to fulfill all your dreams. Thank you, and more birthdays to celebrate.
Hi, Mom. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best in life. More candles to blow and cake to slice. Happy birthday again, Mom. God bless you and your family.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Sharon. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Ma'am. Mwah!
Happy birthday, Ma'am Sha. May God bless your heart. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Sha. God bless you. Keep safe always and stay pretty. Happiest birthday.
Buntag, Ma'am Sha. Happy birthday. Salamat kay sa tanan. Happy birthday, Usab.
Hi, Ma'am Sharon. Happy birthday. May God bless you. Good health and long life. More blessings pa. So that you can help other people. Continue to do God's work and be a blessing to other people. May be a channel of blessing to other people as we have been a channel of blessing to our office. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Sharon. God bless po.
Hi, Ma'am Sharon. Good evening po. I just wanna greet you a happy birthday. I hope all your birthday wishes and dreams come true. God bless you.
Sharon, good evening. I'm just gonna wish you a happy birthday and more birthday to come and more blessings to come sa inyong life po tsaka sa family. Good health and heavenly wisdom po. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Sharon. Wishing you all the best days to come. A healthy well-being for you and your family. Thank you for being with us. God bless po and see you soon.
Hi, Ma'am Sharon. I just wanted to greet you a happiest birthday and may your birthday filled with genuine happiness and love. Just enjoy your day, Ma'am. Greetings from the St. Ignatius family.
Hi, Ma'am. Happy birthday po. God bless.
Happy birthday, Mama Sha. Thank you for everything. I love you.
Hi, Tita Mom. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best and thank you for everything. I love you.
Happy birthday po, Mama Sharon. I love you so much.
Hi, Miss Sharon. In behalf of Bain Philippines and Bain China, we would like to greet you a happy birthday. And I hope for you to have more blessings to come, more projects to come, and more machines to come. And I hope you enjoy this day. And see you soon. Happy birthday, Miss Sharon. Bye.
Thank you sa tanan. I hope happy pa sa imong birthday and always take care, good health, more birthdays to come. Happy life, peace of mind. I love you. Bye-bye.
Just to you.
She would like to say happy birthday as well and extend her greetings to you throughout the next coming birthdays you're gonna have, dedicating all her hard work in school and her studies for
Happy
you.
birthday, Mama. This is Yana. I hope that there will be more blessings to come for you, and I hope that you remember to do the right things and always remember to know what is wrong for you. I hope that we spend time together when I have the free time, because nowadays I'm very busy with my studies. But when we do spend time, I hope we do it as a family, because I do miss those times. I wish you nothing but more blessings and to always take care of yourself. So happy
Hello
birthday.
po, Mama. I just want to say happy birthday and hope the best for the upcoming years, more birthdays and more blessings. Thank you for being there for us, me, Yana, and Tia. Hope you continue to have a happy birthday throughout.
Hello. Good evening. Hello. Happy birthday, Mama.